In Mexico, before Nexu existed, you would be a car buyer and walk into a car dealership, and a car sales rep will serve you, and they will give you a quote, fixed full quote, same quote for everybody. And you submit a paper application for a car loan, and days later, if you're lucky, one day, you get a response. It's a binary response, right? Because one APR, there wasn't much development of product, right? And all the credit algorithms for the banks were with binary decisions, right? And very few people will get approved 3 out of 10. Right? So you would get rejected. You would try to find another car. You would do another application, try to go to another bank. They have very similar policies. So the whole process wasn't good for the car dealer, for the car sales rep, and most specifically for the car buyer. And most importantly, very few people got approved. So when we saw that, and we were a broker online before being a point of sale financing platform at car dealerships, we saw the data, and we saw that there were millions of Mexicans that were creditworthy, and they were not being able to have access to financing, something that is meaningful for their lives, to change their lives or to help them grow their small businesses. Although it was tough because we didn't have experience financing, and we didn't know the floor of the car dealerships or had the relationships that normally banks have with automakers, we intentionally went into the hardest part, which is learn how to finance the people that were not being financed by the banks, and do it in a real-time way. So today, Nexu has changed the market. The market won't be the same now after Nexu has had its impact, because now the car sales rep and the car buyer are able to get a credit response in real time. They know what car a customer can afford. They can close the sale in that moment, and twice the number of people are getting access to financing. It's a huge impact for the country. And it ultimately is impacting the GDP of the country, because even the small businesses, which are the core tissue of the 74%, I think, of the Mexican economy, you're giving them an alternative to grow their business.